Hello, and welcome to the Master Creative channel. In this channel, we teach you about Canva tricks and tips. Sometimes, we also use Photopea in addition to Canva. Of course, with full walkthrough tutorials so that you never feel that left behind. If that sounds like your jam, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I post a video. In today's video, we are learning how to make our very own custom Canva frames. I'm so excited to go over this because Canvas built-in frames are amazing, but they're limited. What if I told you could basically make a frame out of any shape you can imagine? So, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Canva. I'm just using 1080 by 1080 pixels, and I have two images already set up for us that I think would be really fun to kind of make into frames. But I also want to do some text, but I want to do that with you guys. Let me add a new page to create the text in an empty frame. We're just going to click Add a heading. I think we'll just do the friend. And let's choose a font that might be fun to turn into a frame, something that's a little bubbly. That's cute, I like that. So we're going to do one at a time, and I do have the ability to share or to download things in SVG format because I do have Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, I highly recommend it. It is by far the best design platform for a beginner or even somebody who is a seasoned pro. Honestly, the best for your money. Well, if you do not have it, you will need to do another step, and I'll show you quickly how to do that. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you would want to save it as a PNG or a JPEG. Just like this. And then you're going to want to use a website like FreeConvert, and you'll want to choose a file, and then you'll want to convert it over to SVG. You do need to start out with an SVG for this to work. Okay, so just want to put that out there. It does need to be an SVG. And then I'm going to save this page as SVG file. Alright, and we're going to be using a program called Photopea, and it is a free program. It's a lot like Photoshop, but it's free. And click on the file, then open and import the SVG file. There we go, and you'll notice that we have a ton of layers in the Layers panel, and the first thing I want to do is get rid of the background. So I'm going to select the background layer right here, and I'm just going to delete it. And you'll now have a transparent background with that checkered right there in the background. Each individual letter now can be selected. But we still have way too many layers in the Layers panel, so we need to merge those layers together into one layer. And the best way to do that is to select all the layers at once. You can click on the top layer, hold your Shift key down, select the bottom layer. Now, click on the layer and go down to Merge Layer option. Now, we just have that one layer over their Layers panel, much prettier, and now we can work with that. The next step is to grab any image. It doesn't matter what the image is. This image is just going to be a placeholder, and we'll delete it. To do this, I go to File, Open and Place, and select an image from my device. So now we just on top, and now we're going to create a clipping mask. A clipping mask is basically just going to take that image, and it's going to put it inside whatever shape you have as the SVG, so in our case it's the word friend. So we're going to go over to the layer and click Clipping Mask. Perfect. You'll know you've done it right when the image that you have on top goes inside the SVG image shape that you have. That's all we have to do. It's that quick and that easy. Now, remember, this image is just a placeholder. It's going to go away. It's what's going to hold the place for that Canva frame. That's coming next. So we're going to go to File, Save as PSD. I'll change the file name. It would have been better if I had done this in Canva. Then click Save. Now we are going back to Canva. And I'm going to delete the friend out of here. And we're just going to uploads. This file is not going to be found in the Uploads section like the regular uploads we do in Canva. It will be uploaded in the Project section. So the project is here, and I'm just going to add that to my canvas. It looks like that I did in Photopea. I'll delete this black text first. Click on Delete and Delete Image. Let me throw another image in there. I'll just go to my uploads and select an image, or you can go to the elements and select any image you like. And all we have to do to use frame, just like always, is we just move it around. And now it's in the frame and you make it yourself, so it's yours. No one has this frame, but you guys, you're making your custom frame. There we go. How cool is that? So now your options are really endless. Now when it comes to using Canva frames, it's so fun. And it's so exciting to see a shape and you know that you can create it into literally anything you want now. I hope you guys love today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. That's super helpful in the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you guys in the next video.